So hello everybody. Today I'm here at an event, and I got Nigel here with me. He has never heard of the pro hair ties before, right?
Nope.
And he's got longer hair. And, we're gonna try out the pro hair tie in his hair. He's got actually pretty long hair here, so he says he usually you sleep in it. You said,
yeah,
with a hair tie in.
Yes, sir.
So what are your typical issues? Like, what do you kind of hate about hair ties?
When I wake up in the morning, I try to take it out. It's like all tangled up in my hair, so it hurts like hell pulling it out. But other than that,
yeah. And then normal hair ties, do they usually slip out, or just kind of hard to get out?
Yeah,
sometimes?
just always hard to get out because they've always get the hair tangled up in there and stuff.
Cool. All right, man. Well, go ahead and grab a color. You can grab any color.
You can try this.
Yeah, awesome. And then just go ahead and put it in like a normal hair tie.
Okay.
And then we'll see if it's like loose or tight, and then we'll adjust it for you.
So do you just use it like a regular hair
just like
tie?
a normal one, just wrap it twice. Cool. Let's see. So, all right, okay, you actually have pretty thick hair. So let's show the camera. Just turn. Yeah, awesome. So you can see here, he's actually got pretty thick hair, so it's not going anywhere. I would say a normal size one is perfect. How does it feel in your hair?
It feels good.
Right?
It's pretty firm, not too tight.
Let's show it to our viewers, man.
Yeah, firm, not too tight though. It looks good.
Got it. Yeah, so how does it feel in your hair, Nigel?
Feels good. It's firm, not too tight. Feels good.
Cool, man. And then let's go ahead and take it out. So as opposed to ripping it out, just pinch it until you find that piece of plastic.
Oh, okay.
And then once you find it, just lift it up at an angle.
Yeah, it came right off. Oh, that's pretty cool.
Yeah,
I like that.
And then you can also like size it. So if it feels a little bit loose, we can make it tighter.
Oh, I got
that's a
you.
good size for you.
Yeah, fits perfect.
Yeah, so next time just pop it out.
If I ever want to make it smaller, I'll just hook it up to right here or something.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh wow, okay.
Would you recommend like other guys that have?
Oh yeah,
hair to try it out?
Yeah, I definitely recommend this because you're not gonna get your hair tangled up in this at all.
Great.
Yeah, this is great, man.
Cool, man. Well, thanks for trying it, and you can keep that one there.
Oh, I appreciate it.
You can grab some here as well.
Yeah, I definitely want to get some.